love this. At least this is only midnight and not 3 a.m. And I live on the first floor, so although I wasn't in the dorm at the time. I just got back and, well, I can't go in the dorm because of the fire alarm. Probably someone burnt their popcorn. My best guess. That's what usually happens. But still, they have to call out the Henrietta Fire Department. This is fish C, B, and then down in the distance is A, but ones in A are not going off. Yeah. Let's see what the annunciator says. I can't really see.
Well, the lights aren't on, so I don't care.
The door unlocked, so I don't know if the door's locked if there's a fire.
Yeah, I can't really see what it says. That's right. So here we go.
You have to piss now, too.
Again. This is the second time this week.
I was not at
Not quite as much as a disco party. But there you go. I bet the Henrietta Fire Department just loves coming out to RIT.